probably why it wasn't built up around it, because it's heavy enough. And it seems to diverge as well. There's a divergence. It goes that way and that way. I'd love to live in these apartment blocks, only for the view. Like, the view would be fantastic, like, you know, looking out at the river, all the seasons. It'd be amazing. Right. So drained, people. I'm so drained. So sorry. Right. So I came down this road. So if I go, hold on. I think I know where I'm going, but most likely I'm going to get lost. My brain is just not working today. Everything's just failing on me today. I need rest. So. We need to walk down this road, cut across up there. I think I can cross there, and then head uphill. So we'll see how this goes. Well, it might have been the thing that I wanted to get. Kind of like an old mill on the side of the river with an old bridge and some autumn colours. So yeah, I think this is actually where I wanted to be originally. So yeah. Right, so this is the boring bit about traffic, but on the right side, Ireland does have footpaths. So you're safe, unless the guy's an idiot and someone crashes into each other and the car just topples over and smashes me. But hey, let's think of the bright side. So I think, I think I might have found my thumbnail, if I can get it right. It's probably my thumbnail. You're probably seeing that because, you know, it's been here before me. But now I have to walk up this road with the breathing problem and get back to the car and head on out into another town. Oh, okay. Is that the fucking full length thing? Yeah, right. Normally I have them in different sections of it, but yeah. We have apartment blocks. I think this leads up to the main street again, and then I think I take a left because I came down and then I have to take a right up a shortcut up to the levee. So it's a fairly big enough city. Town? A town? Yeah, it'd be probably a town. Definitely not a village. There's a pub. You know, it's a pub because it always has the beer brand on the side of it. And they have the Christmas lights too. Merry Christmas. Okay, yeah. I'm like, that's backwards. Why can I read it? So I came down that way because it's a vape shop. So Patchy Pizza. I haven't had pizza in years. John Paul hairdressers. Ooh, Jean Paul. Yeah, that's all. Right, let's see. Have a pedestrian crossing, which well, he slowed down for me anyway. Another vape shop. Car insurance. I've gone down here, so put the mask on. 800 for a barn. 1200 for a 2-bed apartment. 1250 euro. That seems to be a massive pub restaurant. So, there you go with the prices. Usually it's a little bit cheaper out in the country because they usually, you know, get a good connection with like a local farmer or something like that. Everything's so much fresher out here, even though it's not that big of a difference. But because you have to go through supply chains, it has to go into an office or like a warehouse, and then that's a nice church. Then it has to go through, like, you know, logistics and all that. That's where the delay in the food goes. Whereas here, you probably have the farmer pick the veg in the morning or the night before and drop it out to a few pubs, and then you're having like day fresh. Just living in the city, you have to get it picked. Yeah, so you have to get it picked, then it has to be packaged and frozen, then it has to go to the warehouses, distribute it out. They're probably looking at like 2-3 day old. Like, it's not massive, you know, you're still getting fresh, but townies are just getting freshers. Right, good news. Almost at the end. It's great. So, done a beautiful church. Not really about Navan sticks out to me. It's a town that functions, you know. But if you want to rent here, stay here, you know, seems to have most everything. Like, you know, has pubs, bars, restaurants, probably jobs and all around. There's a place back there hiring. See if we can see into the church. Door's closed, but the other door might be open. As you can see, a lot of people viewing my channel are not subscribed. It would be super cool if you could subscribe to my channel. It costs absolutely nothing. You don't get that for nothing in the world. And if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe. It would be just cool to help the channel go. So if you're feeling kind and generous and want to give your thumb a little bit of exercise, click that subscribe button. And it seems to be packed as well, so yeah. Hopefully I didn't disturb them. And they just seemed like a bit of wind opened it up or something, so it should be fine. They're doing it wrong though. I wonder if that's the holy bread your man's running late for. Right. This is kind of cool, funky building. I like this. Real nice new architecture. And I do believe this is where I can now hop into my car in a minute. So yeah, I hope you all like these videos. I probably made 2 or 3. Like, subscribe, comment. You know, I'm coming to the part where it's like, is it worth doing this? Do people still enjoy this? But I enjoy doing them when I feel top gaming anyway. Today I'm a little drained, and yesterday I was drained too. And it only makes sense that I'm coming down with something. So hopefully I'll get a few more today, and that'll cover us for a while until I get a bit better. And then once I'm a bit better, I'll get more footage, you know. So anyway, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and see, you have to be careful. Now, she was probably looking at me going, oh, he's walking straight, because I didn't make kind of much of an advance yoga. But yeah, I'm just circling around Navan. It's quite enjoyable, it seemed peaceful, you know, everybody all calm and stuff. So, right. Anyway, that's me. Like, subscribe, comments, you know.